Want to sound more natural in English? Here's a simple trick you can start using today. Stop memorizing single words. Instead, learn short phrases. For example, don't just learn the word thank you. Say thank you for helping me. Or instead of just success, say success comes from practice. This way, your brain learns English in context, and you will sound more fluent when speaking. Try this with everyday words. Instead of just coffee, say I drink coffee every morning. You will remember it faster and use it naturally in conversations. Subscribe to the channel to learn English faster.